So बच्चे, the next topic is services of retailers toward customers. कि what services retailers are providing to the customers. Supply of goods according to demand. A retailer has a large number of consumers with different taste. Everybody is having different taste and we all are going to retailers. He purchases things according to their taste and demand and sells them. In this way, all the needs of the consumers are satisfied. Okay, bache? The retailer is providing the goods to the consumers as per their demand. Second, bache, facilities of purchase on credit. A retailer sells most of his things in cash. However, because of his direct contact with the customer, he has to give them the credit facility also. He can sell on cash as well as on credit. Home delivery of goods. A retailer also offers the service of home delivery of goods at no extra cost. So much so, the consumers does not need to go to his shop. An employee of the retailer gets an order from the consumers by visiting his home. Later on, the material is packed and supplied to the consumers at his home. Means retailers are providing the goods according to demand, then they are providing facility of credit purchase even, and they are giving the facility of home delivery. Then bache, no fear of cheating. The retailers have a direct contact with the consumers, and because of this they are on friendly terms. They are in contact, direct contact. The consumers always purchase goods by keeping faith in the retailer. There is no fear of being cheated. In case some useless thing is supplied inadvertently, it is taken back without any problem. If you are a regular customer of any shop and you know the shopkeeper very well, and if you find that some goods you have purchased and they are not according to the sample or they are not accordingly good, then you can replace them. There is no fear of cheating, as it can be there in a case of internet shopping. If we are doing, there is a chance of cheating, but here if we are in direct contact with the retailer, then there is no fear of cheating. Then which is supply of fresh goods. The consumer gets fresh goods through the retailers. For example, fresh vegetables, milk, fruit, etc. Other things are also fresh because they are purchased by the retailer in small quantities. So they are providing the fresh goods. Whenever we are going to buy the milk, fruits, and vegetables, etc., we are getting fresh. So retailers are providing us the goods according to demand. They are providing us the goods on credit. They are giving the facility of home delivery. There is no fear of cheating and the supply of fresh goods in case of perishable goods. Then bache, stock of goods of every season they are giving us. A retailer stocks things according to the need of the season. With the change of season, things also start changing in his shop. Thus, with the change of season, the consumers can get things according to their need easily. For example, a retail cloth merchant would stock woolen cloth during the winter and cotton cloth during the summer. They are giving us goods according to the season. Then free services, certain free services they are also providing. A retail trader, while selling his things, assures the customers that if a particular thing goes out of order, it will be replaced or repaired free of cost. Such things are usually refrigerator, television, radio, watches, sewing machine, etc. If they will be out of order, they will be easily replaced or repaired. Close relation with consumers. A retailer tries to get in close contact with his customers. because of his direct link with them. Street hawkers or peddlers are in very close contact with their customers. This benefits both the retailer and the consumers. They are closely connected with the consumers. They can easily understand their needs and wants. Then increase in consumers' knowledge. The retail trader provides information about the new things to their consumers. Apart from this, they serve the customers by telling them about the anticipated changes in prices. Sometimes we used to go to market and the shopkeeper says ki buy it now, otherwise the prices are increasing next month. So we are getting some extra knowledge from him. Last is बच्चे free advice. There can be many things for a particular use. The consumer is confronted with the problem of making a choice of the things to be purchased. A retailer solves this problem by pointing out the prices and advantages of different things. If we are buying certain things and we are getting confused, what we can do in that case? We can seek free advice from him. He will guide us ki, what are the advantages of different things and what are their prices. Then we can easily select the right thing for us. So, retailers are providing us goods according to seasonal factor, according to seasonal factor, they are providing us goods, free services. If anything will go out of order, they will repair it or replace it. Close relation, they are having close relation with the consumers and they easily link between, there is a direct link between them. And increase in the consumers knowledge, anything if we want to ask, they can provide us the anticipated knowledge also. If there is any increase in price or if a new product is coming into the market, they can give us knowledge about that. Free advice, there can be many things for a particular use, so out of those things we have to select. And for selection, if we are getting confused, we can seek help from advice from the shopkeeper. Any doubt, bache?